Guys? This is Nick, CEO and founder of Rival Consultants. Today we're going to talk about one of the unknown credit bureaus called SafeStream. They're just like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They take information, they sell it, pretty much collect information on you. Everything you do from your banking relationships to, you being able to apply different places, whether you have the collections, inquiries, all that. SafeStream has a copy of that as well. A lot of times with credit bureaus, what they'll do, they'll verify your accounts through SafeStream as opposed to going to the original creditor. You say, oh, this collection, please verify it. Okay, you'll verify it through SafeStream. Or they may verify it through another unknown credit bureau. A lot of times, what I tell my clients is to go ahead and opt out, or I may do it for them. It all depends on what they're trying to do. If they're trying to remove inquiries, most definitely opt out. Once it's frozen, go ahead and dispute inquiries as well. You can go here, actually opt out. You have to mail them. You have to mail a form from their site. I remember they had a link that you can go to and actually opt out, as opposed to having to print out and mail a form, fax it. You need your name, zip code, different things like that, so they can actually verify, who you are. But you most definitely want to go ahead and freeze SafeStream. Right now, we're going to look at an LA Times article. We're getting the depth on what they actually do. Right here, it says the company is focused to a large extent on providing lenders with information about millennials, people aged 18 to 34 who have scant credit histories. A recent study by Bankrate found that 2/3 of millennials do not have credit cards. Lenders really want to offer services to this generation. We help by looking at non-traditional information, such as people's relationship with wireless providers or internet service providers, how they pay their bills. I don't know about you, but that makes my stomach want to throw up. It really does, because your traditional FICO score is about debt. This is crazy. Because as opposed to, you being able to take a loan out and paying it back to determine your credit score, they're looking at, your score with people like Verizon, really tracking how you pay your bills, your regular bills. That should be alarming. And that's why I tell people, go ahead and freeze these people. I have mine frozen. They're making money off information. Companies like Bank of America uses SafeStream. Sprint uses SafeStream. It's pretty. They keep it low key, but a lot of times it's pretty crazy, and it's very terrifying on the low. But if you want more videos like this, guys, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and really let me know. What else you want to see. I'm doing videos on the more unknown credit bureaus as well to really give you guys a heads up to what's really going on out here. All right, guys. I'll see you soon.